Morning guys, it's Friday. I don't know if you can hear, but there's rain beating down on top of the workshop roof. Not particularly the best day. So I'm just getting prepped and ready to head out to the workshop in the city centre, and I'm going to do a few CNC jobs. So we've got some super cool projects coming up. Going to have a meeting next week about a 20-person over 3 floors co-working space, which is really exciting. We're getting to the final stages of that, where I've got free reign on the whole furniture design. Loads of CNC cut and birch ply and hot desks, so that'll be really exciting. And it's my final sort of few days in the workshop in the city centre, because I've got some exciting news. I'm going to be building a garden studio, garden workshop, and I'm waiting to hear through to see if we've got any support from a few specific material providers, but if so, then well, I'm going to cover that in a whole other series of videos anyway, and that's going to be in the next couple of weeks coming through, and you'll be able to see some sneak peeks behind the scenes really, of how we build it and how we make it and what sort of products we're putting in there. It's going to be pretty cool, thinking Scandinavian contemporary timber clad in the middle of a kind of leafy woodland like we've got here. So yeah, really exciting time. I wanted to get back into vlogging and to talking to you guys, because I've kind of been a bit slow over the past year, and there's going to be a load more videos popping up in the next couple of weeks. I'm super excited about Makers Central, so can't wait to see guys like Matt Estlea and Simply Ornate guy Nate Wilshere down south. He's a pretty cool maker. He's been making knives, you know, something I'm really passionate about and dabbling in. So it's going to be great, and then see the big guys like, you know, Jimmy DeResta and Laura Kampf and April Wilkerson, see if I can catch a glimpse of those guys and hang out. I'm hoping that I'll see you guys there. I'm going to have some stickers ready, fingers crossed. I've not been part of the sticker swap, but I know that guys like James from Molten Make, he's a big player in that, so I'm going to hopefully get involved in that and start distributing them and start doing a sticker wall or something like that in the new workshop. So yeah, first things first though, I've got to load up the van and then we'll head off to a timber supplier. So I'm going to go and pick some oak boards for a project we've got coming up with an amazing solid oak, unique live edge. It's going to be an island in a nice kitchen. A kitchen company just about 30 minutes away from us got in touch and said, can we do something pretty exciting for the customers that want this unique slab to sit at as a breakfast bar. So I'll take you on a tour around David at Albion Timber's place. So that's coming right up. See you in a minute.
Here you go, on your seat. Off we go.
Good lad. Here and what's it all about?
Well, the firm is called Albion Timber.
Yep.
We're hardwood timber merchants based in Sheffield. We specialise in air-dried planks, mostly for furniture makers, but we do a lot for hobbyists. Yep. And professionals and hobbyists alike really. We try and get a lot more characterful boards in, not just your run-of-the-mill oaks. Yep. You get lots of nice coloured sycamore, shorter boards for more interesting. We do a lot for river tables, bit of all sorts really.
Brilliant, excellent, cheers David. So I'll show you on a bit of a tour around what David's got. We've got stacks of timber, like literally, if you're in the Sheffield area you've got to come and visit this, because this is brilliant, and he's my go-to guy for unique and weird timber. So we'll take you on a bit of a tour around what David's got.
and then some more beech, that's flamed beech.
Right.
But actually, we've got a really interesting bit of timber.
And then we've got the really burly picky oaks.
Yeah, really nice burly oak. These are 2 foot wide planks. They've got a square edge, so you can put them together like a 4 foot wide table with 2 planks.
Very much, David.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Good to see you.
Yeah, you too. So that was really exciting. I've really enjoyed my time showing you guys all the wood that David's got in stock. Hope you visit and check it out for yourselves. And I'm going to be back next week to pick up. We've got the dogs causing chaos here, but anyway, I'll bring you back again, or I'll show you what we get up to with the oak that we select with the customer. So check out my other videos, and I'll see you again next week. Thanks, guys.